Hello, hello. So, as promised, we are going to do some more writing. So, I want you to pay attention because I'm going to show you how we are going to write our next set of letters, okay? So, pull out your writing practice book, and as you know, that's this book, and we are turning to page 28 and 29 for now. So, we are writing the capital and common K. And as you notice, there's straight lines and there's slanted or diagonal lines. So that's what we're going to be working on right now. And then we're going to move on to page 38 and do the capital A only. Just the capital A, okay? So let's get started with our K's. So, as always, we have our lines like in our books. So you have the red, the two blues, red, two blues, red, and it goes like that, okay? So we are going to start at the red line. That's where we begin our letter. The capital K is beginning at the red line, going down to the second blue line and stop, okay? Give me 1 second. Make sure I have my pages correct. Okay, so start at the red line, come down to the second blue line, stop. Then we're gonna go back to the top at the red line, and we're gonna slant down to the first blue line. So back to the top, slant to the first blue, and then you're gonna slant down to the second blue. So you're gonna start from the first blue, slant down to the second blue, and that is our capital K. Again, we're gonna do straight line down. So from the red to the second blue, stop, start at the red line, slant to the first blue, start at the first blue, and then slant to the second blue line, and that is our capital K's. So now we're gonna move on to our common K's, okay? And it's almost the same process, but let me show you the difference. We're gonna start at the red line, and we're going to come down to the second blue line and stop. Now for the lowercase, we're starting from the first blue line. So we're gonna put our pencils there, and we're gonna slant to the middle. We're gonna come down in the around the middle of this section of the two blue sections, and then we're gonna start again right where we stopped and slant down to the second blue line, okay? Again, start at the red, come down to the second blue, stop. Start at the first blue, slant, and then slant back down to the second blue. And that is our lowercase k, right? So that's what I want you guys to do, your capital and your lowercase k. And then we're gonna move on to our A's. Our A's, our capital A's only, because the capital A has slanted lines and a straight lines, which we have covered already. So we're gonna start our A's, and you're gonna start at the top by the red line. You're gonna start at the red line, slant to the second blue, stop, go back to the top, slant down the other way, and then across in the middle. So you're gonna go across on that first blue line. Okay, again, start at the red line, slant to the left, go back to the top, slant to the right, and then across in the middle. So remember, in our books, we have 5 letters across the top and then 1 in a column going down, right? So what you're going to do is you're going to trace those 4 on those 2 lines, and then you're going to write 4 on each line that's available. So you have 1, 2, 3 lines. You're going to write 4 on each line. So I should see 12 in all that you wrote yourself, okay? So do your capital A's only, and then your capital and common K's, all right? And post it inside the classroom, and I'm waiting and anxious to see what you do. Have a great day, guys.